G'day everyone, and thanks so much for joining me once again. Well, I'm really excited to be heading to Carnarvon Gorge National Park today. Carnarvon Gorge is in the Central Highlands region of Queensland, roughly 9 hours drive from my home in the Gold Coast. And the good news is, it's bitumen road the whole way. Carnarvon Gorge has been a bucket list destination of mine for many years now. I can't wait to get into some of the bushwalks and check out all the sights the park has to offer. I've booked into Sandstone Park camping area for 4 nights. This camping area is located just outside the National Park, about 7 kilometres from the main visitor centre inside the park. Well, I've found Sandstone Park to be a fabulous place to stay. And there are no powered sites or water, so you do need to be self-sufficient, but each site's quite large and flat and they all have their own fire pit. Because the campground sits on top of a ridge, pretty much every site has fantastic views over the surrounding countryside. There are some portaloo toilets scattered around the camping area, and there's also a dump point, but there are no showers. I believe the prices at Sandstone Park do vary depending on the season and occupancy and things like that. But for me it was $34 per night for 4 nights for one person, one caravan, and that's outside of school holidays. Right, this is the Nicky Creek walk, the first walk of my trip to Carnarvon Gorge. Very looking forward to it, beautiful weather for walking. Nice and sunny, but not too hot. Well, I'm on the main track now. I've reached the turn off to the Moss Garden, which is 650 metres one way off to the left here. Let's head up there and see how we go. Well, this is here at the Moss Garden, and I have to say, it is truly spectacular. Just the most peaceful, serene place I think I've ever been to. Just amazing. Well, I've just left the Moss Garden, heading along the main track again now towards the Amphitheatre. I have to say, it's a great day for a walk again. Nice and sunny and calm and cool. It's very pleasant. Right, here's a turn off to the Amphitheatre. 630 metres off to the left. Let's go. Up these stairs. This is inside the Amphitheatre. Just again, truly amazing. Well, I've just left the amphitheatre. I'm back on the main track, heading up now towards the art gallery, which I think is about 1.8 kilometres away. Right, so this is the turn off to the art gallery. 340 metres to the left. Off we go. But the art gallery itself was really amazing. It was a fantastic experience. So much Aboriginal artwork to see there on the walls, and some little placards describing what some of them meant as well, which is fantastic. A really good experience and well worth it. We've had a spectacular couple of days doing some of the walks here at Carnarvon Gorge National Park. Some of them have been just amazing, some of the things I've seen. Well, some of the areas I unfortunately didn't get to see this time, mainly because my legs just aren't up to it at the moment. Would have been Cathedral Cave and also Bulimba Bluff. Cathedral Cave was another 4 kilometres up from the art gallery, 4 kilometres each way. And unfortunately I just didn't have the energy yesterday or the time to get up to see that. And the second one, Bulimba Bluff, again, it's not that far from the visitor centre. It's just so many stairs, a lot of climbing, and I just don't think I've got it in me at the moment. So never mind. I'll have to do a bit more exercise and practice and maybe hit it next time I'm up this way. So I thought today I'd just do a quick walk around the nature trail here at the visitor centre. I think it's only 1 kilometre or 2 long. The bird life here is amazing, so I've got my zoom lens on my camera now, and hopefully I'll be able to capture some of the bird life here while I'm walking around. See how we go. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with my travels around this spectacular country of ours.